Okay, Lokia, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm very fine. What are you going to do today?
Today I'm going to make a car.
Okay, let's see that.
Okay, first I will put the wheel, then I will show you.
Yeah, you're doing well. You're doing pretty fast. Huh?
Yes. I'm always fast. I'm never late. I am done. I am done.
Show me your car. Okay, yeah, that's good.
Look.
Okay, Lokia. Nice job done. Okay?
And you can see the
Okay, bye
rainbow
bye,
legs.
Lokia.